Is there any progress in oral TRT? I'm not keen on committing to 100 injections a year for the rest of my life.
100 injections a year is nothing with an insulin needle. Heck, that's really nothing. I mean, try being on TRT with a low SHBG with 3 times a week, and then couple that with 3 or 4 peptides, and you're probably injecting 10 times a week. Total injections. 100 a year is absolutely nothing. But in any case, we had Jatemzo, and then recently another company. Actually, I'm in North Carolina right now as we speak. There's a company here up by Greensboro by the name of Kyzatrex. They developed an oral TRT. And I'm not a fan. I'll be honest, I am not a fan. The whole claim to fame with the oral TRT is that it does not shut down your LH. Well, the way I see it is if you're not shutting down my LH, you're not properly replacing me. It's like taking a thyroid hormone and having your TSH remain elevated. When we treat thyroid, we use TSH as a metric on when your body is happy. When the TSH starts to drop, not to full suppression, because the thyroid is a little different than the HPTA when it comes to testosterone, right? Your pituitary generally goes to zero on the LH. It doesn't go to zero when you treat thyroid. It does kick on every single day. But when your TSH is like 1, 1.5, we know that you have generally sufficient levels of thyroid hormone. If your LH levels remain mildly elevated, then you're not treating to optimization. Your pituitary is still asking for help. So the half-life is extremely short. They claim the liver toxicity issue of surviving that first pass has been resolved. I personally haven't looked into that because, again, I have no interest in oral treatment whatsoever, nor do we offer that to patients. But you have to dose this, I believe, at least 4 times a day. I forget, 4 or 5 times a day, whatever, because the half-life is so short. Adherence is a real thing, and you know my stance on creams. Look, creams work for a lot of people. I'm not a fan of them because you happen to be a disciplined and compliant patient yourself, and you've been on them for years and they work for you. That's great. Most of my patients forget to take an injection twice a week. Most of my patients can't take a vitamin D when they wake up in the morning. Right? Most patients are not the people who are viewing your channel. Most patients are an older guy who's anti-medication, who hasn't been to the doctor in 10 years, believe it or not. I have thousands of them. It's like for every 10 patients that I actually treat, one of them would be like a guy that's like, hey, we follow the channel on YouTube. We're in the Facebook group. One. The other 9 are just your regular guys that are like overweight, tired, older. They
Mm.
forget, or they don't want to, or they don't care, or they're non-compliant. Who's going to take 4 or 5 pills a day for the rest of their life? It's just not realistic. And my whole gripe with the cream is, well, I have a couple on a scientific level, but on a real world level, putting cream on you twice a day forever. I'm not the most compliant with my TRT. My TRT protocol is 3 times a week, is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I can't tell you how many times I forget my Wednesday injection. Monday, okay, you just woke up after a weekend. Friday, it's like, hey, I always forget my Friday, but I end up doing a Friday night before I go to bed because I'm like, oh, wow, I forgot my injection today. Here we go. It's the weekend. I do it. Wednesday, I'm so slammed midweek, my mind just forgets. If I don't do it in the morning and I'm tired, Wednesday night is my late night. I don't get home from the clinic till 9:30, 10 o'clock on Wednesdays. I always forget my Wednesday. It's every other week I forget my Wednesday injection. And that's 3 times a week. Imagine twice a day. I would never do it. I would never do it. So I'm not a fan of the orals for several reasons. Again, one, I don't believe they truly replace you optimally. And two, I think compliance over the course of time will fall off. And they're pricey. They are pricey too.